How to build business credit with your EIN and not your Social Security number. Business credit is tied directly to your company's employment identification number and not your Social Security number. Hence, your business must build credit to buy the goods and services it needs. Inquiries for business credit do not go on your personal credit reports, so they don't affect your personal credit scores. Your business and personal credit scores can be very different. There are many advantages to business credit. With two separate credit scores, you can get two separate cards for the same vendor. This effectively doubles your purchasing power. Business credit scores really only depend on whether a business pays its bills on time. Personal credit scores depend on payments and other factors like credit utilization percentage. Building business credit is a process. Business credit does not happen automatically. You must actively work to build your business credit. However, it can be done easily and quickly, much faster than building consumer credit scores. Vendors are a big part of this process. If you try to do the steps out of order, you will be turned down repeatedly. You cannot start at the top with business credit. However, we know the steps you can take and we know the order in which to take them. Let's recap. Create a fundable business which credit providers feel they can trust. Work with the IRS to get your EIN and properly set up your business entity. Visit D&B and get a DUNS number if you don't have one already. Get true starter credit, vendor credit, at the start. Monitor your credit and correct any errors if they arise. Move on to retail credit with 5 to 8 trade lines reporting. Move on to fleet credit with 10+ stores reporting. Then move on to cash credit. Always manage your credit responsibly. Contact us today to learn more about how to build business credit with your EIN and not your Social Security number.